Let me ask you something. You work hard every single day, you bring home a paycheck, you pay your bills, and somehow at the end of the month, there is still almost nothing left. Sound familiar? Now imagine if there was a way to quietly build wealth in the background, completely on autopilot, while the government actually helps you do it. That is exactly what a 401k is, and most people either do not have one, do not understand one, or are leaving serious money on the table because nobody ever explained it to them properly. So let us fix that right now. A 401k is a retirement savings account that your employer sets up on your behalf. The name comes from a section of the United States Tax Code, Section 401k, and while that sounds dry and boring, what it actually represents is one of the most powerful wealth building tools available to everyday working people. Here is how it works. Every time you get paid, a portion of your paycheck, whatever percentage you choose, gets automatically moved into this account before you ever touch it, before taxes. That last part is important, and we are going to come back to it. Now here's where it gets interesting. That money goes into investments, typically a mix of index funds or mutual funds, and it grows over time. You are not just saving money, you are growing it. The stock market has historically returned somewhere around 7 to 10% annually over long periods of time. And inside a 401k, all of that growth happens without you paying taxes on it every year. That is called tax-deferred growth, and over decades, it makes an enormous difference. But the real magic, the thing that makes a 401k almost unfair in the best possible way, is the employer match. Many companies will match a percentage of what you contribute. So if you put in 3% of your salary, your employer might add another 3% on top of that for free. That is an instant 100% return on that portion of your money before the market even does anything. If your company offers a match and you are not contributing enough to get the full amount, you are essentially turning down part of your salary, every single paycheck. And remember when I mentioned the money goes in before taxes? That means your taxable income goes down. If you earn $60,000 a year and you contribute $6,000 to your 401k, the government only taxes you on $54,000. You are building wealth and lowering your tax bill at the same time. The one catch is that this money is meant to stay put until you are 59 and a half years old. Pull it out early and you will pay taxes plus a 10% penalty. So this is not your emergency fund. This is your future. This is the version of you 20 or 30 years from now, living without financial stress because a younger version of you made one smart, consistent decision and never stopped. If your job offers a 401k and you have not signed up yet, that is the only thing you need to do today. Start small if you have to. Even 1% is a beginning, because the most expensive mistake in personal finance is not getting started late. It is never starting at all.